Hello, good morning, everyone. My voice is audible.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Yes, morning. So, so yesterday's session we have covered about how to create SAP HR structure and how to create enterprise structure, how to create the personal structure. We have discussed in yesterday's session, and also I have so how to create, how to use that part. So, any doubt, any confusion in that part? I hope everyone created for the same how that structure.
No, sir, I couldn't create actually. I was trying in the evening, but I couldn't.
Okay. So, what's the issue at facing today? I will say. And what about you? What is name? Vinay Prabhakar.
No, that's me, sir. Actually, I'm using my brother's Zoom.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So what you do?
No, I just wanted you to take me through, the steps that you covered yesterday because when I was practicing, I couldn't do it.
Okay. So okay. Then do one thing. Please share your screen. I'm going to be okay. I'm going to be revise the session how to create SAP structure again. Okay. So who are going to share the screen?
So your voice is today also.
My voice is
Uh,
just give me 1 minute. I'm going to change this. Okay. Now my voice is okay.
yes, sir.
Okay. So who are going to share the screen?
I'll share.
Yeah, you can share. Now I'm going to make you host. Okay. So please share your screen. Okay, let me one thing. What is your personal structure? Anyone tell me what is your personal structure?
Personal structure is where we run all the programs like employee group, employee subgroup, and
No personal structure. What is your personal structure? No, it's not correct completely. What is your personal structure? Anyone? What is your personal structure, Sahnaz?
Uh, am I clear? Uh, Hello.
Yeah, tell me.
Yes. So in personal structure, we create the codes like related to employee group, subgroup, and payroll. Where when we hire, it is related to hiring. Uh,
Yeah, that's a correct
when
related to hiring. But exactly, what is your personal structure? If someone asks during interview, I know that you understood that what is your personal structure, how to create. But what is it according to interview? What is your personal structure, Shivangi?
yes, sir.
What is your personal structure? And Sahnaz,
Uh,
anyone tell me what is your personal structure?
so is it the structure of an employee's no the overall employees
No, I
thing?
think you are not going to be
Sir,
gone through the document.
in this structure, like there are two parts of employee group and employee subgroup.
Employee group and employee subgroup, and one another one
So
payroll
there are
area.
two parts.
Payroll, no, three parts. Employee group, employee group, employee subgroup, and payroll area. Three part. Okay. And what is a personal area? Anyone? What is a personal area?
Personal area is where the place of the organization.
Yeah, correct. So, personal area is geographical area where organization or company they are going to operate their branches. Okay, that's a
Steady your
personal area.
voice literally कभी स्लो हो रहा है कभी बहुत ज़्यादा हो रहा है कंटिन्यूटी नहीं आ रही वॉइस में कल भी नहीं आ रही थी आपके
But is it happen same for everyone or so few only for Shivangi?
No sir, आपका voice high low हो रहा है वैसे.
Okay, okay, okay.
जो टर्म में होता है वो स्लिप हो जाते हैं फिर एक्चुअली क्या बोल रहे हैं आप
Okay, okay. Okay, now it's okay.
यस सर
Okay, so today again I'm going to show how to create the SAP HR structure. Okay, so this is
Sir,
our
can you
slide.
please tell us again what is personal structure when when in an interview?
Yeah, personal structure. Like if someone say what is a personal structure, so personal structure is a combination of three things: employee group, employee subgroup, and payroll area. That's a personal structure. What is an enterprise structure? Enterprise structure is combination of company code, personal area, and personal sub area. Okay. If someone say what is a SAP HR structure, so SAP HR structure is a combination of enterprise structure, personal structure, and organizational structure. Okay. If someone say what is a personal, what is a company code, so company code is a legal entity used by FICO consultant, okay, and created by FICO consultant for tracking balance sheet in organization. That's a company code. In definition you can say company code is a legal entity. What is a personal area? Personal area is geographical area where organization or company they are going to be operate their day by day business, okay, or their branches. What is a personal sub area? Personal sub area is a part of the personal area, okay, that's it. What is a employee group? Employee group is according to their designation, according to their position, according to their role and responsibility, we need to be create the group of employee, like employee group, like manager, executive engineer, senior engineer, officer. Okay, employee subgroup. Employee subgroup is a part of the employee group, like manager. So it's not only single manager, maybe junior manager, senior manager, HR manager, FICO manager, different managers available. Payroll area. Payroll area we used to run the salary. Payroll area we used to run the salary. What is a payroll area? Payroll area we can create according to personal area, personal sub area, employee group, and employee group. Like which area, like which location and which employee group salary we want to run on which day. Okay, that's a payroll area. Okay, payroll is a part of the payroll management. In a payroll management, again, I will revise how to create the payroll area. Okay, it's not important. That's it. Okay, so now I'm going to be show how to create each and everything again. Like we are going to use slash and SPRO. This is a T code SPRO enter. I think you have to log in again.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, please do the login again. First we need to be understand what is a this all this thing, okay, then why I'm going to be create this thing also we need to be know, okay. Creation is just only a step that we will follow, that a step that creation first and we can able to create, okay. But first we very important why we are going to be create this all these thing SAP HR structure, this structure whatever we have covered in enterprise structure and personal structure. So why we are going to be create this part, okay, that's important. And why we are going to be create this part, that during hiring, during run any type of business, this information is required. Like when you are going to be hire any employee in a SAP system or in recruitment part also, so you have to inform firstly to that candidate that I'm going to be hire you for this personal area. Personal area is Hyderabad location. For this personal sub area under Hyderabad location, there is a high tech city office. And for which employee group, for as a manager, I'm going to be hire you. Under manager, which type of employee personal sub area, as a HR manager, I'm going to be hire you. This all the information you need to be inform to candidate during recruitment part. And once that candidate is got selected and you are going to be hiring SAP ASM system using PA40 that employee, so during hiring this all the information is required. Without this information you cannot hire any employee in organization, okay. That's why this is a first thing and basic thing, and we need to be know how to create what is this all this thing, okay. Because when you're going to be start to work in real time scenario, so you have to connect with the customer, and customer you have to ask with the customer that please provide the complete list of personal area. So sometimes customer is nothing know about the SAP, then you have to inform same thing whatever in a session I'm going to be tell you that this is a personal area. So same thing you have to convey to your customer during the real time scenario during a go live project, that this is a personal area, so please provide me the complete list. Now customer is, according to your explanation, customer is going to be provide the list of the person area, that this is a 50% area you need to be create, this is 45% sub area you need to be create, this is 50 employee group you need to be create, okay. So according to, so that's why I am going to give the more focus about the concept, because in real time sir this concept is going to be used, because you need to be discuss, you need to be communicate with the customer, okay. So your concept should be clear, then you can able to connect with the customer, okay. So first
So
is
will
for
they know? So will they know what is personal sub area? What is
yeah,
personal
so
area?
then it's a good for you, it's a good for you, they are going to provide the complete list with the code also. Because I have did the some project, so my one customer know about the everything about the SAP SCM, okay, he's very good in SAP SCM. So during the documentation part he provided each and everything, code is also he provided. Okay, this will be code, this will be name, this will be text, each and everything they provided very well, okay. So if customer know about the SAP SCM, that's a very good, it's our plus that customer know. So
Then in that case, our job will be only implementation, right?
yeah, implementation my job, yeah, discussion is also there, that you need to be discussed what is will be you need to be informed, okay. It's and sometimes also implementation. So when you're going to be join as a SAP HR consultant, so it depends on your organization, which organization you are going to be join, and whatever project holding your organization. Like for example you are going to be join SCL technology, so whatever project in which project they are going to be assign you, like in a implementation project, in support project, in migration project, in a testing project, whatever. It depends on your organization, okay. So now I'm going to be revise the same how to create this all the structure again, okay.
So
The-
this is the first step. So I will have a lot of questions.
yeah,
Uh, so this is the first step that we do
yeah, that is
when
implementation. This is the first
this
step.
is
HR structure is first basic step of implementation, okay. When you will be get the project to work as SAP HR consultant, so first step is you need to be implement. If customer provided the list, complete list in a documentation, there is one method also we use, ASAP method. So after personal administration and organization management, we will discuss that topic, ASAP method, ASAP method. Under ASAP method there are few step is given, how we are going to be working in any SAP project, what will be first step, what will be second step, what will be third step, okay. This all these steps we need to be followed, okay. That topic I will
so
discuss.
now we are at personal administration, no?
Yeah, currently I'm in a personal administration.
Okay.
department. personal administration.
When we discuss with the customer, so all
Yeah.
any anyways, not everything we will remember that what the customer has said. So we will have to prepare a layout, right?
Yeah, you have to prepare the template. There are the in that SF method we will discuss template. Okay, there are some format called business blueprint. Okay, there is one of business blueprint. You need to be create business blueprint. What thing you have to implement? There are two part under business blueprint. There are two part. One is to be and one is as is, and next one is to be. In as is document format, you need to be jotted down each and everything about customer existing software, whatever customer using currently in legacy system. That complete thing you need to be jotted down, and to be documents part you need to be jotted down. You need to be prepared, inserted each and everything, whatever thing you are going to be implemented, like how many personal area need to be created, how many person sub area, employee, how many payroll area need to be created, each and everything you need to be jotted down with the name. Okay, that format I will share. I will show each and everything. No need to worry about. Okay. Once you will be received complete documentation part that this thing you, because in real time sir, you are not going to connect every time with the customer. One date going to be
Yes.
fixed that this date will be before starting the project customer meeting, client meeting. Okay. In that client meeting, you are going to be connect with the customer, and each and everything, whatever doubt in that template, each and everything will be given, that this thing you need to be create, this thing you need to be create according to your job profile, according to your project work area. Okay, it's a then you
So,
are
sir,
according to your
yeah.
yeah.
So,
Tell me.
sir, so the company that we will be working on will be completely new to. I mean, we have to start from the scratch, or we will have to maintain. I mean, मतलब कैसा होता है कि पहले उनके पास एसएपी होगा एंड
Yeah.
उनको कुछ मॉडिफिकेशन चाहिए होगा, right?
No,
So
no, it's
then
a
also we
depends.
will play the role.
No, it's a depends. It's a depends on project type, whatever it is. Okay, maybe some customers say no, I need to be because some customer they are using some different software, legacy software, something old, or maybe some organization using manual work. Okay, for example, manual work. So so
Hmm.
that time you need to be start from the scratch each and everything. Maybe
Sir,
sometimes
I
if
lost you there. Your voice is low.
yeah, yeah. So sometimes if customer using some different software, legacy old one, okay, that time you
Hmm.
need to be implement from a scratch. If some customer using already using SAP software, but he need to be make some changes. So that's not part of the implementation. That is part of the support. If some customer using already one SAP software, but they want to be moves complete data from the separate SAP system. That is SAP HR data migration project. Okay, that's the types of the project different. It's a depends on customer which project you are going to be work. Okay, it's a depends on customer. Okay,
Okay. Okay.
okay. So shall I continue now in SPRO?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So if any doubt, any confusion in how to create a structure, let me know. Okay, because this is a second class revision. So if any doubt and confusion, then let me know. Okay.
So I have
SP.
a question.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. Tell me.
एक्चुअली बस मैं इतना बोल रही थी कि आप है ना एक एग्जांपल ले लो हु वन इज द कंपनी एंड हु वन
Yeah.
इज द कस्टमर देन हम उसको अच्छे से क्लियरफाई कर पाएंगे ये चीज
Yeah, already I have given in a study session. Also, I have taken the example of the IBM Private Limited. Okay, IBM Private Limited. And during discussion of our that part, first one, we have taken the example of the Big Bazaar. Like Big Bazaar is one organization. So in this example, in this SPRO,
सर उस दैट वाज आई एम नॉट देयर इन दिस क्लास
okay, okay. So do one thing today. I'm going to be share one another recording with you. Okay, so that is the first topic is there with the example. Okay. So in a study session, I have taken the example of the IBM Private Limited. Okay, that one company we are going to be like, for example, again I'm going to recall the new example. Now you are going to be working a big bazaar. Okay, now we are going to be working a big bazaar. This is a complete implementation project. What will the first step? Already customer within the requirement. Who is customer? Big Bazaar is customer here in this example. So now Big Bazaar given the complete requirement to you that please create this personal area, this personal sub area, employee group and employee subgroup, and company code. Complete thing given by customer. Now as a consultant, we need to be configuring their system. Okay, company and company code created by SAP HR consultant or SAP FICO consultant. Anyone tell me?
Company code is
FICO
created by
consultant.
FICO.
Yeah.
But say Big Bazaar, why Big Bazaar given to us all like information?
Because we are working, because there is agreement happened between between our company and Big Bazaar, that in Big Bazaar there are who are going to implement a project in Big Bazaar. For example, TCS is one company who are going to be implement SAP SCM in a Big Bazaar. So Big Bazaar now agreement is happening, like when we are going to be do the agreement between two organizations, that this thing you have to do this information this information I will provide. Okay, this information I will provide. So that's why, because we need to be creative. Big Bazaar want to implement SAP SCM in their organization. That's why they are going to provide the complete information to organization, to implementing organization who are going to implement. For example, TCS going to be implement SAP SCM project in Big Bazaar. So that's why Big Bazaar is bound to provide complete information to TCS employee, that whatever need to be implemented. That's why they are going to be provided.
But TCS and Big Bazaar both are different type of sector companies and एक्चुअली मैं अब समझ नहीं पा रही हूँ कि ये
तो
कंपनीज
आप
एकदम डिफरेंट
नो
सेक्टर
नो 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 आपने फर्स्ट सेशन नहीं किया ना, इसी कारण आप नहीं समझ पा रही। फर्स्ट सेशन में मैंने सारा कुछ डिस्कस किया था। सो एक्चुअली नॉर्मली व्हाट हैपन, लाइक नॉट इट्स अ नॉट अ मैटर ऑफ सेगमेंट, लाइक जस्ट आई एम गोइंग टू गिव द वन एग्जांपल, for example, what we can say, like a big no, now example is TCS, yeah, IT industry. Okay, IT
एक तो सर आपका
industry.
वॉइस बहुत ज्यादा ब्रेक हो रहा है, वो कंटिन्यूटी आ ही नहीं पा रही है बिल्कुल भी जो समझना चाह रहे हैं हम।
Is not voice happening because okay, same voice happened to the field with other also, Sehnaz and whatever name we may provide. So same thing happened
वर्षा,
to the
yes sir.
Versa. Same
हाँ
thing happened.
हाँ, आपका हाई लो हो रहा है ना, तो फिर वो समझने में थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम, समझने में एज इन वो मिस हो जा रहा है कभी कभार।
Okay. Hello, now it's okay. Hello, hello.
या
यस सर, यस सर।
मुझे लग रहा है कि जूम मीटिंग की वजह से
Hello,
शिवांगी's voice is also
hello.
coming low, high low.
Yes, sir. I think क्या है आपका हेडफोन प्रॉब्लम है शायद सर। हेलो
Hello, now my voice is
हेलो
सर कभी बीच में पूरा बंद हो रहा है, कभी बहुत ज्यादा हाई आ रहा है आपका वॉइस।
Maybe because of Zoom, maybe because Shivangi's voice also came low in between.
no actually that is not a problem. I think sir headphones are not working
hello.
properly.
Hello, now my voice is audible.
Yes,
Yes, it is audible.
Okay. Okay. Yes, Shivani, your question was that why Big Bazaar, I have taken example. So it's not a matter of segment, like which work, like a TC in IT industry. Like for example, actually you have to just do first session, okay? Because there I have discussed already this point. Like the in how the project is going on. Anyone from here, can you please explain how the project is going on in real time scenario? Like who will be customer, like for example, what is SAP is one organization. Okay, SAP is one organization, they are going to be offered different software, ERP solution software. Like for example, Apple company is one company, they are going to be uh, offer different product there. iPhone, desktop, laptop, different things they are going to be offered. They are going to prepare for their customer. Who are customer? For Apple, we all are customer for Apple company. Okay, who are target customer? We all are, because we are going to use the Apple phone. Who Samsung, LG, OnePlus, they all are our company. So who are company in like a product? So we all are customer in example of some company like LG is going to be prepare the refrigerator. So LG going to be making refrigerator for which for whom? For me, for as a customer, we are going to be use that product. So LG, who are customer for LG? We all are customer for LG. We all are customer for Samsung, OnePlus, Apple. Same thing. SAP is one organization. SAP is one company. Okay. So SAP company also they are going to be prepared different ERP solution software. What are the different ERP software like SAP HR, SAP Material Management, SAP FICO Financial Accounting, SAP SD Sales and Distribution, SAP Controlling, SAP Basis, SAP ABAP. Different software prepared by and service provided by SAP company. SAP is one organization. SAP is one company. Okay, their office is also in Bangalore, Hyderabad, Pune, Delhi, everywhere. So SAP is one organization who are going to be offered this product to their customer. Who will be customer? Like in terms of LG and Apple, Samsung, I said that we all are customer for LG. Yeah, pardon. Okay,
Hello.
so yeah, hello, hello. Okay, so we in example in a Apple, LG, Samsung, this all company we all are customer. But in terms of SAP, who are customer for SAP? SAP is preparing SAP HR software for which company? It's a SAP HR preparing the software not for the only for Big Bazaar, not for the only for the LG. So SAP preparing the software for their customer. Who are customer of SAP? All organization, whatever it's IT industry, whatever it's a product based organization, whatever it's a educational institute, whatever it's a financial institute, whatever it's a smaller scale industry, large scale, any type of organization is a customer of SAP. Okay, because SAP, whatever SAP is preparing software, anyone can use, any organization, not anyone, not individual, any organization can use, whatever it's a Big Bazaar, Walmart, Future Group, TCS, Deloitte, Accenture, LG, Samsung, Apple, any organization can use SAP HR software. So who are customer here? All the organization, whatever it is, a smaller scale, large scale, middle scale, foreign company, Indian company, everywhere, any organization can use SAP HR software. Okay, so who are customer here? Any organization. That's why I have taken example of Big Bazaar. Big Bazaar is also customer of SAP. So now it's a clear, Shivani, why I'm taken Big
Yes.
Bazaar? Because anyone
Yes.
can be customer of SAP. Okay, anyone. Like now, for example, you are Apple. Now Apple decided that I will use SAP HR software. Now Apple company decide I will use SAP HR software to run our page, run our salary, on working pattern of employee, to create the holiday calendar of employee, to do the hiring for employee, run the action. So we will use SAP HR software. Now SAP decide, now Apple decided. So Apple will be example, Apple will be customer. TCS decided no, I will use SAP HR software to run our salary. So TCS will be customer. Okay, so that's why we have taken example of Big Bazaar, for example. Now it's clear.
सर एक चीज़ और है, मैं थोड़ा सा इसमें और थोड़ा डीप जा रही हूँ। जैसे कि अब जैसे हम किसी बड़ी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में काम करते हैं तो वहाँ पर पर्टिकुलर लाइक जैसे टीसीएस ही हो गया, तो टीसीएस का मतलब जो उसका ब्रांचेज है लाइक पुणे, हैदराबाद कहीं पर भी हो, तो उसका ही हम हैंडल करेंगे या फिर उसमें भी इंक्लूडिंग हो जाएगा बिग बाजार, आईबीएम या कुछ भी?
No, it's a depends on project. Like now, an example, TCS also decided that I will use SAP SCM. I will also implement SAP SCM for TCS itself. Okay. Now, Big Bazaar. Now, TCS is a consultancy firm, because how TCS going to be work? TCS going to be build the different project. TCS going to be, connect with the Big Bazaar, connect with the Walmart, connect with the Apple, connect with the LG, connect with the IRCTC. connect with all the organization that please give me project. I will be implement SAP HCM for your organization. So it depends on your job profile that you are going because TCS going to be selected for you as a SAP HR consultant for do the implementation for itself for TCS in-house project. That's why it's in-house project. Okay, if TCS going to be selected to you to do the in-house project, that means you are going to get the opportunity to implement about for TCS itself. Okay, if you are TCS hiring you for the do the external project, then you are going to get the chance of the working for the Big Bazaar. Okay, that's it.
Okay, okay. It's only depends on our company structure
Yeah,
about their requirements.
your requirements where you are going to be joined. Okay, it depends. Okay,
Okay, okay, sir. I understand.
now it's a clear each and everything now clear for everyone. Any doubt, any confusion?
No, sir.
Varsha, Shivangi, Sahnaz, Nadima, now everything is clear.
Yes, sir.
If any doubt, then tell me. Okay, they all are basic things. Yeah, we need to be know because it's also very very important. If you cannot able to understand this part, then we cannot go in a deeply. Okay, that's what's important. Okay, so now again I'm going to be so how to create SAP HR structure. Which T code we will use to create the structure? Which T code we have to use to do the configuration in system? Anyone?
PRO,
Yeah, SPRO we will enter.
customize execute results.
Yeah. Do the login again. I think it will take time. Okay, not sure. So we will enter the T code SPRO. Enter. Same step you have to do during creation. SAP reference IMG. Then enterprise structure. You have to click here in this arrow. Enterprise. This is black arrow here. Okay. Just a single click. Enterprise structure. Now definition. This navigation I have already provided the document yesterday. In that personal PA document, all the step is given with a screenshot. Okay. So company and company code. Now I'm not going to create company and company code because this is a part of the financial account. Already we have created a study session. What is a company and company code I have created in a study session? TDS1, no? TDS1.
That's one.
Yeah.
Yes,
So that I will going to be used. Define company. It's locked by some user, data locked by user, because some other consultant I think work in this data. That's why it's showing locked. Okay, so define company. So first from here we can create the company name. Any company name you can create, and then third option, add check company code from here. So here you can. Yesterday we have already created TDS1. A company name was IBM Private Limited, TDS1. Yeah, IBM Private Limited. So one company I have created IBM Private Limited. Company and company code already created, so not our part. So we are not going to repeat this one. Everyone, please use this company TDS1. Okay. If you want to create new company code, you can. Okay. So maybe you have you want to create another example. Okay. So you can create from here. Define company and define company code. Okay, I will do one thing. I'm going to create a new one that you can able to understand. This is logged by someone. Okay. Now next one. This is a part of the financial accounting, company and company code. This is a part of the human resource management, HRM. How to create the personal area. So just to click over there, then click on personal area. So here, what is a personal area? Geographical area. Like IBM is one organization. So IBM, they are going to operate their business in which location? I will click for the big picture again. Okay, this user ID, it's a SOCPIC2. It's a for anyone here. SOCPIC2. If someone created not try to enter again. /n SPRO enter /n SPRO. SF reference IMG. Enterprise structure. Definition. Single click on arrow. And then financial accounting for company and company code. Yeah, not sure. Yeah. So we will click over new entry. Company, anything we can give here, 4-digit code. So now I'm going to give like big Bajaj, big P. Okay. So here company name, Big Bajaj Private Limited. So it's the first step of implementation. Okay. Because firstly, when you start when we are going to do the implementation, it's the first step. First you need to create the company, not created by you. It's created by FICO consultant. Let's check anything you can give.
This all
Please.
information given by customer.
Yeah, correct. All information given by customer, because we don't know what is the customer detail in each and everything. PO box test. City we can give where is a Big Bazaar head office is located, so we can give anything. So for example, we have given country. Country IN for India. Language EN. currency INR. Now save. See, automatic request number pop up, automatic done. Okay, if you want to, it's already created this TR number. If you want to create new, then we can do just to click over there, create button. This is create TR number. What is the use of TR number? Anyone tell me?
Define company code, like where is it, like एक उसका एक identify, जिसको identity बोल सकते हैं अपन.
TR number, transport request number. So not to use that part. What is the TR? What is the concept of transport request? Anyone tell me from here?
So will you repeat again?
What is the concept of why we are going to be create TR number, transport request number? What is the use of transport request number?
The
What is the-
company identify the employee status.
No. What is the SAP landscape? Anyone? What is it?
Three-part of
Yeah.
It is the layout of the server.
Developer and
products. It's developer qualities and production.
Yeah, correct. Development quality production. So, as a consultant, you are going to be working which server?
Developer.
Development. Like for example, you are going to be work for the Big Bazaar project. So firstly, basis consultant going to be prepare SAP landscape, development quality and production server prepare. Now you are started your work to doing implementation. Okay, so you are going to be doing implementation in development project. In development server. So you have created company code, SAP HR structure you have created in development server. But customer wants this complete structure need to be displayed in production server. But you don't have any right to create anything in a production server. How you are going to be migrate this HR structure, whatever you have created in development server from development to production? How this thing going to be migrated, replicate in production server? Tell me.
With this TRP.
Yeah, correct. With the help of the transport request, like it's already feature of SAP product. When you are going to be create and modify anything in a development server or anywhere, so system will give the pop-up to create the TR number. Why they are going to be give the pop-up to create the TR number? This TR number now, for example, you have created the SAP HR structure and complete a structure you have saved in this TR number. Okay, so this TR number, when you are going to be move this TR number with the help of the basic consultant from development to production server, so automatic complete SAP HR structure, whatever you have created in development server, this thing going to be replicated in production server. Okay, so you no need to be create again and again in every server. Only you need to be do the work in a one server, and with the help of the TR number, this thing going to be replicating production server. Okay, now it's clear. That is a concept of TR request. In this thing, any doubt in it's a very important during interview. This thing they are going to be asked. Okay, what is the concept of TR? Now tell me, anyone. What is the use of the TR request?
It is created to identify while giving it to the production, like the
It's a
developer.
modify. It's a
TR request we use to transport the data. Normally you have to say in a single word. TR request we use to transport the data from one server to another server. Okay, because you are going to be, they all are part of the data. Okay, they all are part of the data because you are going to be making the data. You are going to creating. So transport request we use to transport the data from one server to another server. Okay, whatever data, configuration data, implementation data, any type of data, we can migrate from one server to another server. Okay, that is the use of the transport request. I hope now it's clear. Again, I will ask tomorrow session. Okay, same question.
So this TR code and transaction codes both are same, right?
TR, yeah, both are same. No. TR code, transport request. TR number means transport request. That is a separate. This is a request number, and TR code is transaction code, which we are used to run the use the run the business. Okay, run the all the transaction code to do the work like hiring, for the maintaining master data, for the configuration. T code is different. TR number is different. Okay, T code transaction code and TR is transport request. Okay, both are separate thing. Okay, so now I have created the Big Bazaar company. Big G code is Big G, Big B. I have taken. Now it's got created. Now go back. Now click over third row. Edit, copy, and delete company code. Now edit code data. Second one. Now click over new entry. Again, same thing. I'm going to Big B.
सर
Big
अभी तो
Bazaar.
बनाई थी आपने.
Pardon?
You already created this
सर
company.
अभी क्रिएट किया था ना.
Yeah, we have already. No. So that I have created company name. This is company code. Okay. That was company name and that was company code. Okay.
सेम ही होता है.
Yeah, both are same. You can keep same. You can keep different. It's a customer decision. Okay. So normally we suggest to customer to keep same, that we cannot make confusing company and company code. Okay. The all information provided by customer. Okay. This is the customer IN India. Now again I'm going to save this all the modification in same request.
सर पोस्टल कोड क्या होता है. पीओ
Postal
बॉक्स एड्रेस में पोस्टल.
postal code, that is a pin number, pin code. Pin code. Your recipe is not responding. So wait. Postal code is pin code. Okay.
But why are we creating twice? We can just create once. Right?
Yeah, just we no, just I have created
Earlier we created.
company and now I have created company. Okay, company and company code. These two parts we need to be created. Okay.
Should I cancel everything?
No, I think there are some system or SAP server issue. Okay, so it's happen like that. Wait for a moment, otherwise you need to be clear.
Yeah, I just want to ask one more question. This transport request number we will have to copy and we'll have to save it somewhere so that we can use it every time.
No, it's automatic will come. Okay, no need to be copy and save.
Okay.
And you can also find out, maybe sometimes you forget which TR you have created. So with the help of the T code SU09 or SC10, you can check find out which TR created by you. Okay. So now this defined company and company code got created, financial accounting work done. Okay. Now next one, human resource management. That is our part. Here, click over personal area. Now click over personal area. So new entry. Now we have created the company Big Bazaar Private Limited. Now customer given the requirement that Big Bazaar you need to create the two personal area. One for the Big Bazaar Pune and another one is the Big Bazaar Kolkata. Two personal area. Now customer give the requirement that please create the two personal area. So now you are going to create two. So for that, firstly we need to be give the code 4 digit or for alphanumeric. So now I'm going to write here. 500, anything we can give. 5001. Personal area name I'm giving like a Pune. Okay, in normally we can write Pune, but for the it's the demo server for identification purpose because lots of thing is already created here. So I'm giving the name Pune Big Bazaar. This text already given by customer. Okay, Pune Big Bazaar. Pune. This all the detail you can give if required, given by the XYZ. Postal code, that's a pin code. City we can give. Country key we can give IN. Okay. If region country code given, then save, otherwise save. Country IN. Now green tick. Green tick. See, automatic pop TR will come, whatever we have created. So this personal area got created, Pune Big Bazaar. Okay. Now I want to create the new install because customer given Kolkata also. So 5002 code I have given and Kolkata Big Bazaar. Kolkata, same thing. Now second personal area created according to customer requirement. Okay, customer given the list two that please create the two personal area for my company. One is Kolkata Big Bazaar, another one is Pune Big Bazaar. So we as a consultant we have created according to customer requirement. This part done.
The transport number for example, we created two geographical areas. So for the transport number for both the geographical areas will be same.
Yeah, it's our decision that in one transport number how many things we can add it. Like we have created complete SAP HR structure, so we want to use single, we want to save complete SAP HR structure in a single TR number, so we can do it. So okay, we can do the same, we can use the same TR number, we can use the separate TR number. It's our decision. Okay, so normally what will be the best? It will not be anything we can do, but according to logic we are going to create the separate thing, like we are going to do the configuration related to separate topic, like a separate SAP HR structure. So you can use a single TR to save all the SAP HR structure, or maybe you want to be use different TR for different structure. Like you want to use the separate TR for the infrastructure, you want to use the separate TR for the personal structure, you want to use the separate TR for organizational structure. This is your decision. Okay, how you are going to revert.
But system did not while you are creating the second geographical area, but system automatically did not forward some transport number. It is
Yes.
taking in the same transport number.
No, when you are when you will click over new click over create button, then it will be created the new TR number. Otherwise you are not going to be create the new, whatever you have already created that will come again. again and again. That TR number
Okay.
will again and again. And if you want to save, you save here, click auto save. If you don't want to save here the same thing, then click over create button. Okay, it's your choice. So now personal area is created. Like Big Bazaar given that two offices I have opened, one in Kolkata, one in Pune. So please create. So we have created. Now second, personal sub area. Personal sub area is a part of the personal area. Already I have told. Okay, personal area is the personal sub area is the part of the personal area. So we need to be create under personal area. So which personal area I have created? I have created 5001. 5001 for the Pune. Okay, Pune Big Bazaar. So we have selected Pune Big Bazaar, and now I click over new entry and enter. So now under Pune Big Bazaar say that under Pune Big Bazaar there are two offices I have opened. One is branch 1 and the second is branch 2. Okay, so please create the Big Bazaar. Please get the person sub area branch 1, branch 2 because I don't know the city name in the Pune. So we have given, for example, branch 1 and branch 2. So first I will give the code here. The code we can use like a 50 and 5004. So we can have one personal area under Big Bazaar Pune. There are two branches. One branch, one Big Bazaar, branch 1 in Big Bazaar, and second one is branch 2, in Big Bazaar.
The codes and everything are customer specific, or we create that?
No, it's everything is customer specific. We can do, it's not a standard. Okay, this code, this text is a depends on customer. Okay, if customer not provide customer someone, no, please create whatever you want. It's your decision, consultant decision. Okay, sometimes in some organization customers say no, what is just I'm going to give the name of the text and the code you can decide by yourself. So you have to decide. Okay, so it's a got created. So we under Big Bazaar Pune, we have created two, branch 1, branch 2. Okay, that is a personal sub area got created. Now again, we are going to create for the Kolkata. So what is the personal area for Kolkata? We have created 500 5002. 5002. Now green tick. So under here also we can create. So here we can create 5006 and 5.
There is lot of sub area, personal area and personal sub area. So all
Uh,
we will have to do this way only.
yeah, this way only. With this all these things we have to do this way only. Okay, if it will be more than that, so you can also take help from the technical consultant. If they able to make the program, so you can use the program and upload in a data also you can do. Okay, but there are two options, one is manually and one is with the help of the program. For with the help of the program you need to be take help from technical consultant. You need to be show the process that this is a process to create the process sub area. So according to they will prepare the program. So they once they will prepare the program, so that program you need to be run and complete data you need to be jotted down, maintain in a template according to program, and that template you need to be uploaded in that program. So automatic all the data, all like you have to create the 1000 person area for example. Okay, so 1000 data you have to upload it from with the help of the program. Okay, so 5006, so here we can give like office 1 and office 2, anything we can give. Now save, it's a save in same tier. Yeah, so now personal sub area got created successfully. Now next one is a employee group. Employee group already I have created W yesterday. Okay, I hope everyone remembered. It's a nothing is big here. W. Okay, anything you can keep W. So yesterday I have created IBM manage. Now today I'm going to make the changes here. In the place of IBM, I'm going to be write Big Bazaar manage. So W, we have created W. How to create? Click over new entry and do. Okay, so nothing here. If all these thing is already available, so you can delete any entry. Like maybe if you want to create again something different. But the demo servers, everything, all these thing is available. If you're going to be used, the 1 to 9 is also available. ABCD is also available. Maybe some symbol is not available, so you can use. Okay, you can check and use. Otherwise, system will give already existed. Okay. So this is a way to create
Yeah.
the employee group. Here you
Hello,
have to give.
sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Can you explain us one more time how to release the TR number?
Yeah, sure. I will do. Okay. So first complete this part. So now employee group
Okay.
is got created. Second thing, employee subgroup. Employee subgroup is, also yesterday I have created employee subgroup. So employee, so whatever I have created yesterday, I think W8, I think, no, W8.
W8 and W9.
W8 and W9. So this W8 I have created IBM sales manager. So now I'm going to change this one. Big Bazaar I'm doing.
You can take Big B.
Yeah, Big B also, you can say Big B manager. Big B manager A and Big B manager. Big B manager. Big B manager B. Now save. So it's got created. Or also if you want to create the new one, then no need to worry, just click over new entry and whatever code you want to give 2 digit or and text you want to give, you can give according to your example. Okay. And also you can take example of your current organization where you are working currently. Okay, that is also better. So see, now we have created each and every company code, personal
When we are creating this, currently when we are creating, like suppose we did not create personal area, so when we are creating a personal area, we should the transport code will be automatically popped out by the system, or we should create separate.
no, everything automatic pop-up. Okay, when you will create automatic pop-up. Okay, because I am not using my system, I am using Versa system. So see, everything is we are getting automatic pop-up. So we have created person area, person sub area, employee group, employee subgroup. So till now, any doubt, any confusion, anyone? Because it's the second time I'm going to revise this session. Okay. So any doubt, any confusion, how to create this, all this thing, anyone?
No, sir.
Yes, I have a doubt. I'll contact you later because this is my first class I'm listening. I have some doubt. I'll contact.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah, tell me, sir, again, your voice. Okay, okay. If you have any issue, then let me know. During creation, if you're facing issue, so in a WhatsApp group, take a screenshot and share. Okay, I will reply over there. Okay, and you can also call
No,
me.
actually, I did not log into this business. I
Okay,
don't
okay,
know how
okay.
to.
Okay, fair enough. Not an issue. Okay. So once you logged in, then do the practice. Okay. You need to be create each and everything. Everyone, whatever we have covered in a session, today's session, and everything you have to create. Okay. I will check everyone's system. This all this thing you need to be create. Now this all first part is creation. It's a done. Now second part is a assignment. Assignment. What
So
is
we
a
did not create a payroll area.
yeah, payroll area is a part of the payroll management. No need to create now. Okay, payroll area is part of the payroll management. Once you will create it, then I will do some activity from the payroll management. That's why I'm not creating currently. Okay. So payroll area. So once we have created each and everything, now second concept is assignment. We must be do assignment after creation. But
The
why?
tier, sir, the tier number of a personal area, sub area group, and is all the same, right? We did not change anything.
No, we can change, we cannot be change. It's a depends. Okay, it's a depends on our decision. So I want that it's a depends on personally on a consultant. That some consultants know I will use the same TR number for complete SAP structure to not make more confusion. Someone said, no, I will use separate TR for the separator structure. It's a depends on customer. It's a depends on you. But I suggest please use the single TR for the maximum time. Okay, it will be best for you. Okay.
Okay.
Now it's a second thing. Assignment.
Where we can view the TR number.
Is E09. Okay, so this part assignment I will do, then I will show how to release the TR and where we can view. Okay, that part I will show
Okay.
after this,
Okay.
because we will save all the TR in single TR. Okay, in same system. So
Okay.
this creation is done. Now second option is a assignment. Why we are going to do the assignment? Whatever thing we have created separately, that thing we need to be assigned. That system can understand that this part related to this part. Like company and company code I have created separately. Okay, first I have created company, then I have created company code. First I have created employee group, then I have created employee group. This is no relationship between. That's why we need to make the assignment to make the system that can understand that this part related to this part. But no need to do the assignment between personal area and personal sub area. Why? Because during creation of personal sub area, already system will give the pop-up that under which personal area I want to create the personal sub area. See, during creation of personal sub area, system already give the pop that under which personal area you want to create the personal area. That's why no need to be do the assignment for personal area to personal sub area. Whatever we have created, separately, that thing is required to do the assignment. That system can understand that which part related to this, which part, which company related to which company code, which employee group related to which employee group, which personal area related to which company code. Okay, which thing we have created separately, that thing we need to make the assignment. So first assignment we need to be do for under financial accounting tab. That is a fine question. Assign company code to company. If I'm not going to be do the assign company code to company, then system cannot able to understand that which company code is a part of the which company. Okay, that's why we need to be do the assignment. That system can understand. If I select the company name, then system can understand the company code. If I select the company code, then system can understand the company. Okay, this company code will be related to this company, so we need to fetch the data from this company. Okay, so we have created big B, so we will select here again big B.
So the company code which we already created, it is for Big Bazaar, and this is for separated for system specific, not customer specific.
No, company and company code. Okay, so what can you please repeat again? Company and company code we have created for company specific. Yeah, assignment we are doing for customer specific. It's not for customer. Assignment we are going to do for system.
This is system specific because the system should link all the data.
Yeah, we need to be link on the data. Okay, if you are going to be download the report, then when you are going to select the company, then company code detail will come. If you select the personal area, then company code and company detail will come. Okay, that's why we are going to do the assignment. Now we will do under big B, because we have taken both are same, big B, company and company code. Now save. So this assignment is done. Okay, this assignment is completed. Now this is not our part, so we now comes under HRM part, human resource management. That is our job, human resource management. Now here is two assignment. One is assignment of personal area to company code. Like I have created personal area, two personal area I have created 5001 and 5002. Big Bazaar Pune, Big Bazaar Kolkata. But we know that 501 is a part of the Big Bazaar, Big B company and company code. But system cannot understand which person, because in system there are lots of personal areas created. Then how system can understand that which personal area is part of the which company code? That's why we are going to do the assignment between personal area to company code. So here we will select our personal area, click over position, give the personal area 5001. Yeah, it's a come 5001, 5002. So I will write down here company code big B Kolkata, and second one is also same big B, because second is also we have created for the Big Bazaar. So Big Bazaar, big B.
सर ये ऑटो जनरेट नहीं होगा यहाँ पर इट्स मैंडेटरी टू फिल दिस
Yeah, mandatory to fill this. Automatic it will not happen. Okay, it's a mandate. If you're not going to be fill this one, then you cannot able to do the hiring. Okay, you cannot able to run the hiring action for any employee. The system will give the error. Okay. and country grouping is also mandatory. Which country you are going to be work? Which country payroll you are going to work? 40 for India.
But sir,
10, yeah, tell me.
there are lots of personal area and areas, तो हम कितना याद रख पाएंगे, उसको राइट डाउन करना होगा हमको एक टेम्पलेट पे.
Yeah, so that's why I have already told you need to be make the before starting the project. There is a one step, that is a business blueprint. You have to create business blueprint. So during implementation, that business blueprint you need to be, sometimes someone using soft copy, someone using hard copy. Okay, so you need to be take the reference of that and you need to be create. Okay, it's a happen normally, and it's a not like that. It's a depends on project. If there is 1 lakh person area, so not you are single consultant, you are going to be working that project. There are 50 consultants will work at a time. Okay, 50 SAP HR consultant will work. If it will be a project will be a small, like only you need to be create the 5 and 10% area, or maybe you need to be create only 3% area. So this is a very small project. So only one consultant is enough for this project. So it's a different according to project size, a consultant is going to be assigned in that project. If will be project will be big, then consultant also will be lots of consultant will work there. Okay.
So, all this creation and everything happens after the blueprint, or
No, yeah, this all these things happened after the business blue, after creation of that management part. That is theoretical topic. Okay. So I will cover after PA and OM. I will do that topic. Okay, person. That is so you can able to understand that whatever we did. So according to we will discuss in that topic asset method, asset methodology. So you can able to understand. Okay. That's why I have doing first this topic, then I will do that topic. So you can able to understand that part. Okay. So now this assignment person area to complete code done. Now second assignment, assign employee group, employee subgroup to employee group, because we did created separately employee group and employee subgroup. I think already we have did the assignment because we have used the already old one, so no need to I think do the assignment. What was it? W8? Yeah, W8. But yeah, it's already done. I think assignment. Yeah, it's already assignment is done yesterday. Just we need to click the country grouping and save. It will happen. So already we did the assignment yesterday, so no need to be do that now. But everyone you have to do. Okay, when you will do in your system, so you have to create each and everything. Okay. So now this part is completed. SAP how to create the uh, SAP HR structure, enterprise structure and personal structure part is completed. Now it's your turn. You have to create in your system each and everything. Taken any example in a time scenario or according to registering organization. You can take example and create each and everything. Okay, now it's your turn. Okay. So any doubt, any confusion in this topic? Anyone?
Yes, sir. How can we see in all the stuff in one screen?
All this stuff, yeah, like whatever you have created, I'm not getting your point. Like whatever stuff, this same way, whatever I have
Like,
used the T code, same thing you have to do.
नो, आई वांट टू आस्क दैट कि अभी मैंने जो भी जितना भी कुछ वर्क किया अभी से 1 घंटे में, उसको एक समराइज करना है सिर्फ
Hmm.
एक स्क्रीन पे, तो वो कैसे करेंगे?
Then you have to go to PA40 and check. You have to do the hiring, whatever we did yesterday. Like just to go to PA40, share my screen. PA40, enter. PA40 we used to run the any type of action. So like for example, we want to be do the hiring for the Big Bazaar internal joining. Already this is action type. Someone already created Big Bazaar internal joining. This action created. Okay, so we have select. We need to be do the hiring for Big Bazaar. We are going to be do internal joining of new employee. So we have given the date like today date 01/09/2021. This date the employee joining date is 1st September. Now we need to click over there. Then Big Bazaar internal joining region. So as a consultant, we will cover all these things: how to create the action type, how to create the region for action, how to create the personal area. I will discuss each and everything. Okay, this is created by some other user. Just I'm using for testing purpose. New joining and position. Position is a part of the FICO. Is a organization management. We will use 999 by default position. personal area 502. So now I want to be joined under 501. Okay. Select the personal area 5001. Employee group, whatever we have created W, and
नहीं सर
employee sub.
चाहिए तो
Yeah, tell me.
एक्चुअली अब जैसे आज हम जो भी वर्क करेंगे असाइन करेंगे तो उसको कल आप कैसे चेक करोगे कि हमने वो सही किया है या नहीं किया है? दैट्स ऑल
I
आई
will
वांट टू आस्क.
I will do the hiring. I will do the hiring. Like currently I have created the Big Bazaar, Pune Big Bazaar, Big Bazaar manager. We have do the hiring. Employees got created, and when I will going to whatever you created, okay, whatever you have created, I will do the hiring for employee. I will select whatever your personal area created, whatever employee group created, whatever employee subgroup created. So it will display here. Okay. If you did any mistake during creation, then system will give the error here. Okay, this thing is missing, that thing is missing. If no error, then everything will be, you will get the save your entry like that. All these things will display here correctly. Pune Big Bazaar, employee number got created. Okay, if I will save, so this employee number got created. Okay, I will check. No need to worry about. When you will run this action PA40, if you not created, then you cannot able to find the personal area. If you created incorrect, so system will give the error. When I am going to run this action, any action type. Okay. Now clear, Shivani? Hello. Hello, Asana. Now clear it is?
Yes, a little bit, not it.
Okay. So you have to create. I will check. Okay. This way. If you
And everything. We have done the structure, how to create a person code and everything. So this is the next step that we will be doing, right?
yeah, next time I'm doing. Yeah.
Okay, fine. Okay. So step by step जाते हैं फिर then everything.
Yeah, everything. Yeah. So that's why I'm saying that first you need to be create the SAP HR structure. Once it's got created, how we are going to be that you have created successfully or not. Whatever personal area, this all this thing you have created. Like for example, you have created 5002. So I will enter 5002 here and make enter. Then system will give the system will show the name Kolkata Big Bazaar. So like you have created 9001. So I will enter here 9001 and enter. Then whatever name you have created, that is going to be displayed here. So we can found that it's created correctly. Okay. If system will make any error, not able to save, not able to create, then I think there are some incorrect configuration happened. Okay, that's a way to find out. Okay, so now I'm going to next topic, that not topic, whatever is in the Nadima question, how to release the TR. Like we have created the TR, the T code is /NSC09. This is a T code SE09, transport organizer. What is a T code? Again, I'm going to /NSE09. This is a T code we use for transport organizer. According to user, like if you want to find out the Sehnaz TR, whatever Sehnaz TR created, so I need to be enter Sehnaz ID. If I'm going to check out the Nadima TR, whatever Nadima created, so I need to be enter Nadima user ID, so it will display. So here is that one thing is given: customizing request and workbench request. There are two types of request type: customizing request and workbench request. What is the difference between customized request and workbench request? If you are going to be and TR is going to be generated, that is a part of the customizing request. If you are going to be prepare any ABAP program, this is a consultant, SAP HR technical consultant part. If you are going to be prepare any SAP HR technical program, so that time workbench TR will be generated. Okay, so so normally when functional consultant is going to be work, then customized TR request have created automatic. When SAP HR technical consultant preparing the program, that time workbench TR request is got created. That's automatic, nothing we have to do here. Okay, so here is a two option now below: modify, modifiable and released. If you want to check whatever you have released already, then you need to be clicked over there. If you want to check whatever you have created right now, so that thing. So if you want, I want to check whatever you have created, so just a click over display. So this TR number got today I have created this TR number, SAP SIM demo server, this TR number. Okay, so under this TR, see there two TR is already created. One this TR, one this is one TR. Okay, so under one TR there is sub TR. So how to release this TR? So how to release this TR? Just first select the second one, sub TR number, and click over here. release TR. This one, released directly. Click over there, it will be green tick, released. Now second, before sending this TR number to basis consultant, you have to release. If without released and you send back send to basis consultant, now send basis consultant will told to you please release this TR, then send. Okay, so you have to
Why
release
do
this.
we release this TR?
Because if you are not going to release this TR, then like if I'm not currently I'm released this TR, so now I will going. Hello.
No, sir. Like I'm saying that it's because of unwanted. That's why we are releasing.
No, it's not like that. Like I have created one TR 1631. Like this TR is got created now. Green tick here. That means it's a release TR. It's already showing released. So if it's a release TR 1631, so if it's a release, so you cannot make you cannot save anything data now in this TR. Okay, because it's already released. In release TR, you cannot save any data. But in modifier, if not released, so you can save another thing also in this TR. If it's not released, so you can save. So now, for example, if you want to be 1631, whatever SAP HR structure you have created, you want to separate it only in this TR. Okay, you don't want to be make another thing added in this TR. Okay, so for that you need to be release this TR, then again create the new TR. Again you need to be changed like for example, we have to create the salary slip. Okay, so I want to create the separate TR. So before we need to be release this TR. So once we release, then no one can add anything in this TR. For safe side, we have to release. Okay, and one thing is
But
also
if further, if there are any customer specific related to that TR which we created, example, we created cost center TR, and
yeah.
there are some customer specific that some edits to be made in the cost center or company code, then
Yeah.
it is already released. Then how can we make any edits or changes in that TR because it is already released, right?
Yeah, that is
We should
also
create
one.
that.
Yeah, no. There is two option. If for example is already this TR DPKK 901631. This TR I have released. Okay, maybe by mistake I have released this TR. Now, after one day, a customer say that no, please use that same TR for this customizing this request. Okay. Now for I am going to create the another company code. And now customer say no, please, there is two requirement. A customer say please use the same TR or you can create the new. You have a two option. You can use this same TR or you can create the new TR. So how to release, how to unrelease to TR to release. If it's a release, so we can able to unrelease again. It is okay. That is some different step. That is something another process. There's some program is available in SAP. With the help of that program, we can unrelease this TR. If you release this TR, so we can able to make unrelease status. Okay, you can change the status. That is one program I will discuss in the next session. Okay, how to release, how
These
to
TRs will be
unrelease
shared to
basis consultant.
customers.
Yeah, no, this TR need to be shared with the basis consultant. Now basis consultant going to be move this TR from development to quality to production.
What is basis concept?
Basis consultant, like we all are working as a SAP HR consultant. So one another consultant name is a SAP basis consultant. SAP basis consultant going to be take care about the server and system. Okay, they are going to be take care about the complete server and system. So anything data need to be transferred from the one server to another server. So we need to be take help from basis consultant. Okay. So now it's a clear. Any doubt, any confusion, anyone? Hello.
Sir, no, sir. We need to practice, sir. Then after
Okay,
we will tell you.
Okay. So do one thing. Please create each and whatever we have covered in today's session. I will share the recorded session today, and already I have shared the
Yeah.
complete documents. Again, I will reshare it in a WhatsApp group because another candidate is joining this session. Okay. So please do the
Okay, sir.
practice. Please create each and everything. If any doubt, any confusion during practice, so let me know or take a screenshot and share in a WhatsApp group. I will tell which thing we have to do. Okay. So please do the practice, everyone.
Okay.
Again, we are going to be connect on to. Okay. Tomorrow having some morning. I have some work, personal work in morning time. So tomorrow session I'm not going to be do. Okay. So we are going to be connect on Thursday. Okay.
Okay, can you mean evening time में एक 1 hour निकाल के बोले तो हो जाता ना सर?
So no, if yeah, evening time, if you want to say afternoon time, because some candidate is working here. Okay. If tomorrow
Mm-hmm.
possible for everyone 6 to 7.
Not
For everyone.
possible.
Yeah, that's why I'm saying maybe some issue because today at least 8 to 9 have tomorrow from 7 o'clock I have some personal work. That's why I'm taking you. Okay, no need to worry.
Okay,
Now
sir. No problem, sir.
I will manage this session because our class
Okay,
timing
sir.
is Monday to Thursday. So this week I will do on
Yes.
Friday also. Okay, no need to worry about the session. So
Okay,
please
sir.
do the
Thank you.
practice. Tomorrow you have a 1 day time extra. So please do the create each and everything. Day after tomorrow I will check on same time. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay,
Thank you.
everyone, please
Okay.
do the practice. Okay, again, we will connect on day after tomorrow. Okay, everyone. Okay.
Yeah.
And sir, please send this इसको अभी
Yeah, yes.
WhatsApp पे send
Yeah,
कर
yes. Yeah, मैं आपको send कर दूंगा. Okay.
Okay,
Okay,
sir.
everyone. Bye. Bye.